Good evening, good evening. I hope everybody had a great weekend. It's Sunday night. I am bringing y'all a homemade yogurt that tastes very good. So here I got my fruit. You can use whatever fruit you want, or you don't have to, but I got a strawberry, some blueberries, and blackberries. They are clean and in vinegar. I got my sweetener. I like monk fruit sweetener. I got here my cream, my sour cream. I have here my heavy whipping cream. And then I have some homemade vanilla extract. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a half a cup of the sour cream, about a teaspoon of, probably about this much, of the monk fruit. I'm going to use a tablespoon of the heavy whipping cream and dish a dash of the vanilla. So we're going to see how this comes together. So I put my half a cup of sour cream in here. I put about a half a tablespoon of the monk fruit sweetener. You can use any sweetener you like, but the monk fruit sweetener. I used a tablespoon of the whipping heavy cream, and then a dash of homemade vanilla flavor. So I'm gonna mix this up. I'm sorry, I cut my phone off. So this is all the ingredients I'm stirring up in here. This is what it looks like. This is yogurt. So I got it to consistency that I wanted. I wanted it. I had to put some more cream in it and sugar. If you make a smaller bowl, you don't need that much. So this is a half of cup of sour cream, tablespoon of whipping cream. This is probably like 3 tablespoons because I kept adding to it. And I probably added about 2 tablespoons of the monk sweetener. And then vanilla. This is homemade vanilla flavor, so that's all you need. And then your berries. Here it is, the finished product. I have in here strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and a small piece of banana. It's about an ounce. People go and sit in ashrams for 20 years in India, trying to be present. Homemade. Do yoga, meditate, trying to get here now. Homemade yogurt. So this is it, homemade yogurt. It's 7 grams of carbs, 88 grams of fat, and I believe 6 grams of protein. And it could be less, depending on how much you use. You may not want a half of a teaspoon. I didn't add in the fruits either, so. Okay, last take to get y'all in and around it. The macros on this is 12 grams of carbs, 34 grams of fat, and 5 grams of protein. It also has 2 grams of fiber, so it totals 10 net carbs. But you can do less to make your carbs come out less than whatever you're going for.
Everyone thought I could make a shot, and that's the beauty of the game. But for 1 second, I mean, everybody was holding their breath, which is kind of cute.
See that? Homemade yogurt. It tastes delicious. So y'all enjoy the start of your week Monday. And until next time, peace.